The state government is transforming the Glenside site, and this is what it will look like. This is the new community park along the Fullerton Road boundary. The heritage-listed former administration building will house the Adelaide Film and Screen Centre. A new $130 million hospital will be built on the southern side of the site, with 129 beds for people with mental health and substance abuse issues. This is the new administration building, with reception, education and resource areas, meeting and training rooms. The new hospital is part of the government's broader statewide reforms right across mental health services. The changes mean an extra 86 mental health beds for adult South Australians with a mental illness, including beds in country South Australia for the first time. The new Glenside Hospital will be designed around a central shared parkland-style garden, open to the public. There will be space for people to meet and socialise, with a garden linking the hospital's surrounding buildings. This is a green development designed to improve energy efficiency and reduce greenhouse emissions. Patients' bedrooms will be arranged around private landscaped courtyards, giving them a sense of privacy and security. The changes to mental health and substance abuse services have come about after long consultation with health professionals, people who use these services, and their carers. They have all shaped the design of the new services and open space. The Glenside site will have 9 hectares of publicly accessible open space, including a community park, wetlands, walking areas, and an under-16 soccer pitch. All of these changes will help modernise and reform South Australia's mental health and substance abuse services.